Jefferson $2 bill or the Kennedy $50? What do you think has the best chances of being accepted? What's going on, everybody? It's the Candy Man, Mike G. Now, the typical bulk candy gumball machine will usually only accept quarters, but the machines that I'm mostly referring to are soda machines, snack machines, and claw machines. The bill acceptor and coin acceptor in these particular types of machines can usually be adjusted to accept different denominations of US currency. So just out of curiosity, I chose a few random vending machines to see if any of them would accept my Kennedy $50 50-cent piece. Knowing that the Kennedy $50 and the Jefferson $2 bill are probably some of the least common forms of US currency, is still legal tender nevertheless. And to see if my chances would be greater with the Jefferson $2 bill or the Kennedy $50. What do you think has the best chances of being accepted? Let's find out. Okay, I'm in Walmart and there are two claw machines right here, but I'm looking at the price and it says 50 cents to play, 2 times quarters, so 50 cents for one play. But then we look at the one right next to it, it says 50 cents to play, but up here it says it's $1, 4 times 25, 4 quarters to play. So I don't understand that. I don't think that one set of dolls is better than the other. Why would this one be $1? This one only 25 cents, or 50 cents rather. Well, see what I got here? Kennedy $50, baby. 50-cent pieces. Let's see if it will accept these. I doubt they'll even fit. And as you can see, it's too big for the machine. Nobody uses these anymore. But let's see if we can get it to go over here. Nope. At least it went through. Let's try this one. Well, they're not working. Well, it says it takes 50 cents to play, but it's not accepting my 50-cent pieces, so we're gonna try another machine. Okay, now I'm outside by the soda vending machines. We're gonna try these 50-cent pieces in here and see if it'll accept them. Okay, here we go. Let's see if I can even get it in there. Doesn't fit. Okay, so much for the Gatorade machine. Let's see if this one works. Well, sound like it came out. Nothing's accepting this Kennedy $50. $19.71. Let's try this machine. Here we go, see if it'll fit. Won't fit in this one either. But, so we know that the Gatorade machine and the Pepsi machine won't even take the quarter. It won't fit. The 50-cent piece, rather. But at least in this one it goes through. So, I know that in the scanner sometimes you can change them and put whatever denomination of money you want it to be able to accept. But I don't know if this one will allow for you to change it to accept 50-cent pieces. Not that it will be necessary. Nobody really uses them anymore anyway. They're almost kind of obsolete. But it can definitely go in, so that's a good thing. You could put it on there to accept it. I don't understand why you wouldn't have it on there to accept it if it can. If it's another denomination of money and somebody had it and wanted to spend it, then why wouldn't you put it on there? It's not going to hurt. It can only help. If it was my machine, I'd have it to accept it. Have somebody like me come by and try them out and see what happens. Okay, I'm out here and it started raining, but this one says it accepts ones only. And this crush machine accepts ones only. This one doesn't say, and this one doesn't say. So I guess we'll try it here. Let me see. We got crush. I don't drink soda. Let's see. Minute Maid. Lemonade. Okay. We're gonna try this. I don't know which way to put it in. See if it'll accept it. Well, let's try it the other way just in case. It's so wet it doesn't even want to go. Well, let me get out of this rain. Well, the claw machine accepts twos. Okay, here we go. Okay, we found one. Let's see if I can get lucky. Nothing. Now let me try this just to see if it will give anything back. Nope. But I have 3 more plays. So let's see if I can get one. And 2 more plays. Okay. Maybe I should have been going for that dog over there. So if you have any type of vending machines that have bill acceptors or coin acceptors, and you can adjust the types of denomination that it accepts, make sure that you adjust it so that it accepts every single type of denomination that it possibly can. Because you don't want to lose a sale on the slim chance that someone could come by with one of these rare denominations to put into your machine. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you found this video to be informative in some way or even just entertaining. Also, if you like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down at the bottom and tap the little red subscribe button so that you can get instant notifications every time I make a new video. I'll see you next time.